parts of 3 days. So pretty.
Just stopping and cleaning some bug guts off the window. So far, just doing once a day. Definitely a lot worse when you drive at night.
Just stopped in Prince George, British Columbia at Starbucks. Got a quad espresso caramel macchiato. Needed some energy. Not been sleeping the greatest in the tent the last couple of nights. But yeah, we're just here doing some work on our computers. We just passed a billboard for St. John's, British Columbia, and it had like 3 chickens on it. And I'm like, what is this billboard? And we get closer and it says world class chicken racing. Like, I didn't know there was such a thing.
Looks like they have skiing too.
So there you go. Go skiing and then watch the chickens race.
So, we're sitting in the car here, about to go to sleep. We found a nice little place on a lake here. It's so beautiful. Fraser Lake, right outside of Prince George. So, we're gonna be lazy and not set up the tent today and just go ahead and sleep in the car. It's so comfy.
Believe it or not, this is actually a free campsite. So when you want a good deal on a campsite, come to Lake Fraser.
Fraser Lake.
Fraser Lake. Not Lake Fraser. Fraser Lake. Come to Lake Fraser when you want a good deal on a free
Fraser
campsite.
Lake.
What am I saying?
You keep saying Lake Fraser.
Fraser Lake. I'm
Fraser
tired.
Lake.
Shouldn't be this difficult.
Night night.
Night night.